don't get it. Yesterday we're fine, and now we're discounted?
Seriously, right? There's nothing wrong with us.
Well, except for Jim.
Oh, guys, I don't feel so hot.
Guys, run for it! Yeah! I guess my favorite fruit to eat would have to be watermelon.
Dude, you are a watermelon.
No bet. Nom nom nom.
Steve, it's been years. What have you been up to, man?
Oh, not much. Hanging out in the vine with the gang, same as always. You?
Well, yeah, I went off to school, became a raisin. Now I'm in a breakfast cereal.
Sell out.
Hey, dude, you ever say a word and suddenly it just sounds super weird?
Yeah.
Avocado.
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 Weird, right?
Totally.
Well, I guess we should get back to flying the plane.
Well, my mother was a pine tree and my father was an apple. Our baby will be a pineapple, they said. But no! Turns out he's just a freak! Wait a minute. Is that a picture of you?
Yeah.
Oh, my brain hurts.
There's a fire in the corn factory! I'll save them!
Zucchini. Zucchini.
Zucchini.
Totally, dude.
Well, back to the surgery.
Tuttle won't be eating lunch with Grumpkin today.
Come on, bananas! Let's form a conga line!
Wow. This might never end.
Don't jump!
You have so much to live for.
Haha, suckers! Stupid wingnuts! Gimme! Gimme! Grandpa, he hit me with his big hand. That's it! You're both getting a timeout!
Dear Lord, I'm out! Uh-oh.
Oh!
John, I don't want you to get angry, but I've met someone new.
I've suspected as much for months, Miranda. Tell me, what type of bagel is he?
He's not a bagel, John. He's a donut.
It's just Sprinkles, baby. He doesn't love you.
Oh, John.
It's just Sprinkles!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. 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 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
What the hell is going on here?
What script?
Me losing isn't that funny.
Ha!
Fuck! Yeah, the network's gonna have to cancel your show. Cowabunga!
No, not Cowabunga, Donatello.
Following this cancellation, the park officially closed in the same year. Due to its closure, it was left completely abandoned and left to rot away for 15
Mr. Cat! But he was facing the wrong way.
So, what's the deal here? Is this thing like buffet style, or should we wait to be served, or what?
Can you not read? A la carte! Potato. 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 Shut up, Jeff. We're pinned down! This food fight isn't gonna end anytime soon, soldiers!
Well, have you, like, thought about, giving Peas a chance?
Can't say that I did. Peas, get out there and fight! Way to go, hippie!
MyTV's got Kid vs. Cat next.
Welcome to Digestive Systems Egypt. Over there you can see the Bile River. If you look closely at the Great Food Pyramids, you'll notice some esophroglyphs scrawled on the side.
What's that weird-looking thing over there?
I love you.
Oh, that's the Sphinxter.
Oh?
I warned you.
Oh.
You do not want to go there.